So fantastic. In this video, I am going to tell you 10 different websites from where actually can get free images. Okay. So I would prefer a couple of the initial websites, but certainly you can also get the images from other websites as well. So let me tell one by one. So the first one in my list is unsplash.com. Okay. So this website has beautiful images and with high resolution. You can certainly use in your videos, and you are not going to get any copyright claim or copyright strike or content ID claim, something like that. Okay. And they clearly say the internet source of free usable images. Okay. And you can also search whatever you want. Say for example, okay, bikes example. So you can get the images of all the different bikes, whichever suits, you can certainly use it. Or say for example, okay, you want to search maybe group of people. Okay, so you can search and you get amazing images in this. Suddenly you can use them. Okay, so one thing I would say is, while you are using the images, make sure your content is more, and whatever images that you are using, it takes only small portion of your video. That's actually the best practice for you to create the videos as well. So this is the first one, Unsplash, which is top in my list. And you can just search from here. So you can say like, okay, human, friends, groups, websites, gray, okay, women, whatever you want. So you'll be able to find the kind of image, whatever you're looking. Okay, so that's what you can get. And so just go for bikes, men, businesswoman. Okay, so you can just pick based on that, or office. So get beautiful images, the office. So whatever you need, you can just search here and you'll be certainly able to find it. And it's completely free, and you don't even really need to give the credits as well. But if you give the credits, they will be happy as well. So that's the beauty of it. And the next thing in my list is Pexels. So this is another website from where you can actually get free images and also free video clips. So this is what it says: the best free stock photos and videos shared by talented creators. Okay, so this is also free. Certainly you can see there are a lot of images that is there. You can just search it here, and also they have videos too. Okay, say for example, I'm looking for some videos. You can certainly take the video clips from here. Say for example, okay, driving a car. Okay, so I want a video of driving a car. So you could see they have many videos. Say for example, I just want to pick this. You can certainly download it and you can use in your videos. And again, as I said, these are with the beautiful quality and they have been created amazing. They are all with HD. So certainly you can use them in your videos as well. Again, follow the ground rule. Make sure you don't use too much of images and too much of videos which are free. Create a content in such a way that at least 80% of it is coming your original content, and rest you are using other things. Okay, so that's how you can also get the videos. Okay, or say for example, okay, beach party. I'm looking for this video. Okay, so certainly you can get the videos of the beach party, right? So you can get them in the same way. As I said, certainly go for photos. So whatever you want, you certainly will be able to find it. So that's Pexels website. Now let's go to the next one. Say for example, okay, if you are creating content which is related to food, okay, then this is a good website for you to get food images. So it's called as foodiesfeed.com. Okay, now here you have images where they have categorized coffee, cake, pizza, meat, top view, health, whatever it could be, and they say search in more than 1,600 free food photos. Okay, and certainly you can also contribute if you have some images. Now let's say for example, okay, I want photos of pizza example. Okay, so you can get the images of them. Certainly you can use as well. Okay, so that's how you get the images from this website. Now next, moving on to the next one. So here is the other one that's called as Why Not Pics. And here you can get actually the Indian pics. Okay, Indian free stock pictures for personal and commercial use, no credit required. no credits required. Okay, so if you just search down, you will be able to find the categories as well. Okay, so they have made the categories. Now say for example, okay, I am going for maybe education example. Okay, so you can see images which are related to education. You can certainly use them, but the thing you see here is it is more towards Indian inclination. That means you can get the images which are giving the feel of Indian as well, right? So if you are looking for images which are Indian, then certainly you can go for this website. And say for example, let me just go back to home and search for some other images. Okay, so festival example. If I just search as festival, let me just give a minute for it to download. Okay, so that's it. So you can see, you can also find the images of the idols, okay, which may be required in your video. Say for example, okay, you are explaining about a particular festival. Okay, in that case you need images for festivals, right? So in that case certainly you can get those from this website. Okay, and they also say here that okay, it's completely free for you to use. So you find all kind of different images related to festivals. And again, if you go to home, they have listed in multiple category. You can just browse through the category whichever you want. Okay, say they have abstract, animals and birds, art and craft, beach, water, buildings, architecture, beauty and fashion. Now if you go to beauty and fashion, it's more towards the Indian culture. So let me just quickly show you that as well. So you can see all the images of the things that would be Indian accessories that would be used, right, for fashion. You have bangles, you have jhumkas. Okay, so certainly you can get all the kind of images that you are looking, which would go well with Indian, I would say. So that's what the images that you get here. Now the next one that I have is Pixabay. Okay, so even they say that okay, it's stunning free images and royalty free images. Certainly you can get images from here as well, and certainly you can just search here. So this is how it looks. Now let me just say for example nature. Okay, so if I search as nature, so you can see some of the beautiful images, right? So you can just go for it, and it says free download. Okay, so you can just download this image and you can use it. Say they say here free for commercial use, no attribution required. So that's what it is saying here before you download. Okay, so make sure it's there. So that's Pixabay. Now let me take you to the next website in my list. So that's stocksnap.io. Even here you get high definition images which you can use in your videos. It says hundreds of high resolution images added weekly, free from copyright restriction. Okay, so they have categorized it as well. So popular, nature, wallpaper, people, backgrounds. Let me just go for backgrounds. So they have some beautiful backgrounds if you want to use in your videos or something, right? So you can certainly take them. So they have good number of images here as well. So that's about stocksnap.io. Okay, now moving on. I hope you are loving this video. If you are loving and if you are learning, just comment below that I am learning and it's useful. Okay, so next one is burst.shopify.com. Okay, so again, free stock photos for websites and commercial use. That means you can certainly use images whatever you are looking for. Okay, so beach, business, coffee. Okay, let me just click on coffee and see what images it brings in. So these are the great images while you are creating very professional videos. Okay, so certainly you can use them. So you have multiple options. Just as I said, don't directly take any images that you find on Google. Instead of that, try to look for the images from these websites. And there are a couple of other websites as well which are there, which have free stock images, but these are the ones that I have listed as the top 10. Okay, and next is free range. Okay, so free range stock. So again, great photos, totally free. So you can find the images whatever you are trying to look for. Okay, so this is how it appears. And let's go to the next one. So next one is Pix here. Okay, that's PX here. So free for copyrights under CCO. Do whatever you want. They have put across really well. Do whatever you want. That means it's really for commercial use as well. Okay. Now just below that they have popular search as well: sunset, architecture, grass, shape, wave, cloud, flora, road. Okay. Let me just click on road. So you can see some beautiful roads that are there. So you can certainly use this images. Okay, so that's the next website, that's Pix here. Now let me come to the last website. So that's KaboomPix. Okay, kaboompix.com. Again, free stock photographs plus color platelets. Let's find the perfect photo for you. Thousands of pictures without any payment, even for commercial use. So that's what they mention. Okay. So this is how the images appear. Again, you can also search here. Say for example, I search for tripod example. Okay, let's see if there is a tripod. So if you are looking for a tripod image or something, certainly you can get it. So these are some of the websites from where you can get free images which can be used for commercial purpose as well. When I say commercial purpose, it can be used in your YouTube videos as well. So follow the ground rule. This is not something where I have read or something, but I would say it's good for you to use. Make sure your original content is at least 80% and 20% is where you might be using this, or less than that, or maybe one or two videos, one or two images in your videos. So go with that. Stick to majority of your content. Okay. Only when there is a real need for you to use the images, then go for these websites and take the images from there, or follow the ground rule whatever I said when you are searching from Google. So hope this video has helped you. If you loved this, just comment below loved it. We'll see you in the next video.